the OVP is currently preparing for the budget hearing for tomorrow, and we are ready to answer any questions that will be asked of the team for tomorrow. So we are collating all the necessary documentations for us to be able to properly defend the proposed budget of the OVP. In relation to the attendance of the Vice President to the budget hearing tomorrow, she has not yet provided a final answer if she will go to the hearing or not.
25, given na limited lang po yung budget ng ahensya, and have all the funds already been exhausted, or are there still remaining sources po to sustain the programs until the end of this year?
Okay. Good morning, Jason. The first question on the implementation will be answered by our Director for Operations, Norman Baloro, and on the utilization, it will be answered by our Budget Chief, Attorney Kelvin Tenido.
Thank you, Asik. Well, foremost, sir, we would like to inform the public, especially the Filipino people, that the flagship programs of the Office of Vice President are well implemented effectively and efficiently all across the country, especially in our 10 satellite offices. Not just to brag, sir, but there are a lot of people already, being felt already the programs and services of the Office of the Vice President. So all of these programs, again, are well implemented on ground, and this is with the support of the satellite offices all across the country.
For the utilization, as mentioned earlier, as of June 30, the obligation rate of the OVP is 34.3% of the available allotment. We make do of what we have in implementing the programs, and we commit to deliver the services that the OVP has started since 2022. Thank you.
Sir, second question on the 2026 deliberations naman po. What challenges do we expect to face during the process? Do we anticipate encountering the same issues such as confidential funds being tackled again, at paano po natin ito pinaghahandaan?
Okay, again, thank you very much, Maimbuntag, Jason. So, on the question, the OVP is currently preparing for the budget hearing for tomorrow, and we are ready to answer any questions that will be asked of the team for tomorrow. So we are collating all the necessary documentations for us to be able to properly defend the proposed budget of the OVP.
Pero expected natin, sir, yung confidential funds matatakil kahit wala naman kayong request?
Again, we will try to answer all the questions that will be asked tomorrow of the OVP. We are preparing.
Wait lang po. Thank you, Asik. For our next question po muna, we have Jed from UNTV.
Good morning po, Jed po from UNTV. In relation po sa tanong ni Kuya Jason, paano po nag-prepare ang Office of the Vice President para sa budget hearing sa House for tomorrow? Thank you po.
The OVP, through the Budget Division and in coordination with the other divisions of the OVP, has consolidated all the reports submitted. We reviewed it, and we also considered the possible questions to be raised to the OVP.
Next question po. Do we have an idea if VP Sara will go personally po sa budget hearing sa House tomorrow?
In relation to the attendance of the Vice President to the budget hearing tomorrow, she has not yet provided a final answer if she will go to the hearing or not.